Okay, backer. Let's try this B3 as a surprise button. Okay, and now F4. D3. Maybe I'll do a bishop E2 and castles and queen E1, stuff like that. So at least there, F5 is difficult to get to now, with the knight over there. Okay. Maybe, I don't know, maybe C4 here. I'm trying to rip open this diagonal. If D4, then knight D2 to E4. I think he's mixing plans up. He's got too many dark square weaknesses. Surely. So C takes D5 here. If E then E6. If that, yeah. Or maybe knight G5 to E4. Oh, there's queen. There's knight E3. Oh, there goes the exchange. Okay, anyway, there's knight E4 here. So castling, I don't know. Okay, he thought it was dangerous as well. I'll try and go for the C5 pawn, if nothing else. Nope. Okay, I've got knight F6 though. Nice skewer. If he takes knight E4, it's going to be good. Queen E2 here. Just be able to play knight E4. I think I've got some compensation now with this knight being kind of good. If takes, might be able to use the D file. Rook D1. So it looks like a promising position so far with this knight on F6, even though in the exchange down. That's usual for me anyway. So Rook D1 and Bishop E5 maybe. Or Bishop E5 first, knight D7, Bishop D6 to E7. Does the Queen belong on E3 to be able to play F5? If E5, I'm giving up the D5 square. So I wrote D1. Okay, Bishop E5 now. So I'm not giving up D5 just yet for this knight. Okay, I can still arrest that queen with Rook D6. I'm tempted to. So Queen B5, maybe Queen D2. Queen D2 here is looking interesting. C4. Queen E3. Queen D2, C4. Rook D8. King H7. Couldn't I just take on B6? That's a good point. Right, so if I take on Bishop C3. That looks good. Or just Bishop C3. No. I'll take Bishop C3, okay. So it's looking really good now. I've got Rook B7 or A4, A5. Try this A4, A5. So bishop's holding up the A file. Get my king over here, bishop E2 maybe. Stop with D1s now. If I get my king to E3. I really need this game because my rating's getting battered anyway. I'm below 2100, it's terrible, I know. But this is how the ICC is a great challenge. On the auto pairing especially. So king F2 to E3. Maybe G3, H3, G4, that sort of stuff later. Can I just take and rook B3? If it takes, then takes rook D3, okay. Right. Is that a big deal? E5 or bishop D2? Maybe bishop D2 here, rook E4, rook D3. I think so. If I can win that D3 pawn, I shall be protecting F4 anyway. So rook E4, rook D3. That should be good. Okay. Can I just take that? I know his king's getting good, but you know, maybe rook D8 to G8. I'll take that, so the bishop can move. I get the king in, I think. I can still get the king in. I suppose further. Or G3 first to protect H4. So okay, it's a bit tricky. He's only got about a minute left. But rook F3, king G4, maybe G6 takes F7. That's the way forward. Get the king back onto G6. And then think about it from there. Okay. So change the plan again. Okay, I've got rook D5 now. G6. G6 here. Let's try and get an F7. Bishop H6. Oh, it's bishop F4. So I'm queening that pawn. I think that's over. It's good to win from last night. So last night's. I think I'm messing up my long game rating at the moment. 2 draws in a row. So it's good to sort of fresh things out on the ICC after. He's going to just lose on time. Yep. Okay, he just lost on time. So what happened there? Let's have a quick overview and summary. So I think this was okay for me, this plan. Losing the exchange was a bit of a downer, but the knight was kind of good on F6 coming up. So this diagonal, we had taken knight E4, skewing queen and rook. So the knight was kind of dangerous there, and the pawn was dangerous there. And he ended up losing the B6 knight. So after that, it was easier. The task was much easier. Bishop up. Just had to wait for his king to come forward a bit, and play the G6 move. So F7 was very dangerous. Please leave any comments or questions on YouTube. Thanks very much.